Okay, so now our trick is to be careful. I'm going to remove my screen protector here. Obviously didn't keep it from shattering, but can remove that. And the trick now, I'm going to move some of this stuff out of the way. The trick now is to get the display out. There's some adhesive behind here, so we have to heat it up. And then we're going to use this nice pry tool to get in between this little lip here and slowly start working it out. Now, even without heating it, I can tell it's going to be pretty easy to remove. It's a little bit stubborn, so the extra heat will help. Oh, I guess that's all the heat I'm getting. We're gonna start with the pry tool, and then just, it's actually quite simple. This display is coming right out. You do want to be careful because of course you have these connectors at the ends. Even though the display is not functioning properly because it's broke, you're still going to be careful about it. Because you want to be careful with everything when it comes to these phones. They're very expensive. This pry tool is quite helpful, unbelievably helpful. You can see I'm getting some of the glue on my tool. Just breaking that seal there. Okay. Yep, got it. Getting it. Here's some of the broken pieces. Camera. Be careful not to scratch your camera up. The front view camera. Just using my hand now. Notice the connectors are coming through nicely. And voila! We are off. Of course, there's a little damage here, none of it collateral, thankfully, just due to patience and being extremely careful. This is where the impact was. Gotta get that all cleaned up. And it's a little nerve-wracking because it's right next to my front view camera. There we go. And the old display has been removed. There's some cleanup here. Maybe this old glue. Make it a little easier for the new one to go in. I don't know that I watched some tutorials and they did this in like 15 minutes. I don't know how they did it, but hopefully mine's a little more helpful. I'm slower. You can put your video on the side and make sure that you're doing everything properly. I know I had to watch 3 or 4 of them. I'm trying to cover all the bases in this one. So I believe we are ready for the new display to go in there. We have some nice protective backing here, and then a protective cover here. Of course, we're going to want to remove that protective backing in that, but I'm going to leave the installation of the display for the next video.